everyone, this is Lainey from the Concord Public Library. I'm here today to show you how to make a fun abstract painting. It doesn't require much and you can achieve this pretty quickly, so it's pretty fun to do a few different types. You can kind of play around and make a bunch of different paintings fairly quickly and fairly easily. So you're just going to take a small piece of paper or cardstock, whatever you have, and you're going to drip and dribble any kind of paint you want on there. It's good just to start with 3 colors. That keeps it simple and doesn't make the colors too muddy when you fold the paper like so and press it flat. And once you open it up, you'll find that you have a nice kind of symmetrical butterfly pattern with lots of wet paint there to play with. You're going to take another sheet of paper or cardstock and you're just going to lay it straight on top of all that wet paint. Press it down and make sure you've got the paint kind of oozing into all the edges if possible. Once you lift that piece of paper off, you can get rid of all of your wet paint underneath, so you've got a fresh work surface. You're just going to take whatever you have on hand to kind of scratch into the paint. I'm using what we call in Australia a paddle pop stick. You're just gonna kind of move the wet paint around, do stripes, swirls, dots, any kind of pattern you like. You can use any kind of instrument or tool that you like. I'm using just a plastic knife here. I'm also going to use a plastic fork as well. I'm just dripping on some more paint there if you feel like you want a bit more fresh color. It's really totally up to you what you do at this point. You can add paint wherever you want, scratch it around, scrape it off. Just really enjoy the process of working with lots of wet paint. Don't do what I just did and forget to take the lid off before you try squeezing the paint on there. That won't help. So as you can see, it's a really fun tactile experience. You can make all sorts of patterns and designs. You can also use different colored paper. I'm just using black paper here because I like the contrast, but you could really use any kind of paper, any color you like. Cardstock works great because it doesn't bend and wrinkle so easily with the wet paint. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. As you can see, you can make a really cool design fairly quickly. Thanks. Bye-bye.